Hello friend, today I have a Nissan bus 2008. The problem is no acceleration. Throttle pedal no response. You can see there is no response in acceleration from the throttle pedal. Let's diagnose the car. When I diagnose car, we have code P1122 and P1126, P1128. Too many code appear in the system, but the main code P1126. P1126 means there is problem in the power system. It is maybe a throttle relay or fuse. Where is the location? Throttle relay behind the passenger seat. This is the location behind the passenger seat. There is throttle relay. You can see. This is the relay, throttle relay. You only check this one. If code 1126, first thing first, check fuse. When fuse is okay, then check this relay. Change this relay. This is the relay for throttle body. Throttle control relay. This is a Toyota relay. Now I changed this one. Toyota Camry relay we have available now, and try to fix this relay. Little difference from the another relay. I fix the relay. This is the common failure. Sometime P1126. If this code appear, you only change this relay. Delete the code. After delete, when I delete the code, clear. No fault code. It will be okay now. The car is fixed. Thank you for watching.